Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you step by step through how to create a pie chart in a Smartsheet dashboard. If you're looking to visualize your data in a way that's clear, visually appealing, and easy for your team to interpret at a glance, this tutorial is just what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add a dynamic pie chart to your dashboard, making your data pop and your insights more actionable. So let's jump right in and get started. First off, you'll want to head over to Smartsheet. Make sure you're logged into your account and at your main workspace. This may seem straightforward, but starting from your home base helps ensure everything is up to date and your work stays organized in the right folder, which really matters down the line if you ever need to move or share your dashboard with others. Now take a look up at the top left and click on Create. Smartsheet makes it super simple by gathering all your creation options in one place. When you hit that Create button, you'll see a menu pop up. From there, select Dashboard. Dashboards in Smartsheet are like mission control for your project data. They let you pull in diverse info and display it in charts, graphs, and widgets to get a holistic view, all in one place. With your blank dashboard open, you'll want to add a chart widget. Just look for the Add Widget button and click on Chart. At this point, nothing is displayed yet. It's essentially an empty canvas waiting for your data. This widget is how you'll build your pie chart, but first we need to tell Smartsheet which data to use. Now it's time to add your data source. Here, click the Add Data button. Smartsheet will prompt you to select the sheet or report where your pie chart data lives. If you're tracking, say, the percentages of tasks completed in different project phases, or maybe how your budget is allocated across departments, make sure you know exactly which sheet has that info. Use the search feature to quickly find your pie chart data. Don't worry if you forget where you put it. Smartsheet's search bar is really helpful for pulling up sheets by name or keyword, so even if you have a bunch of files, you'll still be able to locate your data with ease. Once you see the correct sheet pop up, click it, then hit OK. This connects your chart widget to your data, so every update you make in the source sheet will automatically update your pie chart on the dashboard, keeping everything in sync. Next, select all the data you want represented in your pie chart. This step is important. Be sure to include both your data labels like categories or items and their corresponding values. For instance, if you're tracking sales by product type, select both the product names and their sales numbers. Smartsheet will help you highlight just what you need. When you're confident you've got the right ranges selected, confirm by clicking OK once again. Now over on the right side of your screen, you'll see the chart settings. Under chart type, go ahead and select Pie. You'll notice your data instantly transforms into a color-coded pie chart, making it easy to spot the largest and smallest segments at a glance. I like to take a moment here and double-check the labels and data. Sometimes a quick glance can reveal if you left out an important category by mistake or if your values are showing as expected. Remember, pie charts are perfect for showing parts of a whole, so they really shine when you want to visualize proportions, like survey responses, budget breakdowns, or resource allocation. And there you have it. Your pie chart is ready to go, living right on your Smartsheet dashboard. You now have a single view where you and anyone you share it with can digest complex data in a simple, visually engaging way. If you found this tutorial helpful, please go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. If you have any questions about building charts in Smartsheet, or if you get stuck on any of these steps, drop a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical, easy-to-follow Smartsheet and data visualization tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.